Way street art collides with the halls of justice. The result is nothing short of explosive, and Banksy's latest creation has just ignited a firestorm of debate that reaches straight into the heart of Britain's legal system. Less than an hour ago, the world's most notorious anonymous artist unveiled a provocative new piece on the exterior walls of London's Royal Courts of Justice, and the timing couldn't be more charged with controversy. The artwork presents a stark and unsettling scene. A traditionally robed judge, complete with the iconic white wig of British judiciary, captured mid-swing as they strike down a protester who lies defenseless on the ground. Blood dramatically splatters across the fallen demonstrator's protest sign, creating a visceral image that demands immediate attention. But here's where it gets controversial. This isn't just random timing. The mural materialized precisely 48 hours following the mass detention of nearly 900 individuals during a London demonstration opposing restrictions placed on Palestine action. A detail that has left many questioning whether this is mere coincidence or calculated commentary. Authorities moved with remarkable speed to conceal the artwork, deploying substantial plastic sheeting and erecting dual metal barricades around the piece. 2 security personnel now maintain constant surveillance over what has become an impromptu flashpoint of public interest. The Metropolitan Police have officially logged this as a criminal damage report and confirmed that their investigation remains active. And this is the part most people miss. The location itself carries profound symbolic weight. Banksy deliberately selected an external wall of the Queen's Building, which forms part of the prestigious Royal Courts of Justice complex, positioning his critique literally on the doorstep of Britain's legal establishment. The usually tranquil Carey Street transformed into a bustling spectacle on Monday, as curious onlookers flocked to photograph the now hidden section of wall. The Bristol-born street artist followed his established authentication protocol by posting an image of the artwork on Instagram, accompanied by the simple yet loaded caption, "Royal Courts of Justice, London." This social media confirmation serves as Banksy's digital signature, officially claiming ownership of yet another piece that's destined to spark heated discussions. Labour peer Baroness Harriet Harman offered her interpretation, suggesting the work functions as a protest about the law, though she deliberately avoided specifying which particular legislation might be under scrutiny. Her defense of the judicial system was equally telling. Parliament makes the law, and the judges simply interpret the law. I don't think there's any evidence in terms of the right to protest. The judges have been clamping down on protests beyond what Parliament intended. But is that really the whole story? Banksy's stenciled graffiti has consistently challenged government policies, military conflicts, and capitalist structures throughout his career, suggesting this latest piece fits a well-established pattern of institutional critique. A representative from HM courts and tribunals emphasized their obligation to preserve the building's original character, citing its protected status as a listed building. Meanwhile, one of the security guards maintaining watch over the covered artwork expressed resigned humor about the situation, remarking, "At least it's not raining," while admitting uncertainty about the duration of their vigilant duty. This latest controversy follows Banksy's remarkable summer campaign that captivated London with 9 animal-themed installations. That series reached its crescendo with a gorilla appearing to lift a shutter at London Zoo's entrance, demonstrating the artist's ability to transform urban landscapes into galleries of social commentary. The summer collection included other memorable pieces that sparked their own controversies. Piranhas swimming around a police sentry box in the City of London, and a howling wolf perched on a satellite dish in Peckham, South London. The wolf piece vanished from its rooftop location within an hour of being revealed, highlighting the immediate public hunger for Banksy's work and raising questions about art preservation versus public access. Banksy's international work adds another layer of complexity to understanding this latest piece. His December 2019 modified nativity installation at a Bethlehem hotel presented Jesus' manger against Israel's separation barrier, which appeared damaged by an explosion creating a star-shaped opening. Israel justifies this barrier as necessary protection against West Bank infiltrations, while Palestinians view it as a land-grabbing tool, a perspective that Banksy's work seemed to amplify. Here's what makes this latest mural particularly fascinating. It arrives at a moment when questions about protest rights, judicial authority, and state power have never been more relevant to public discourse. The artwork doesn't explicitly reference any specific cause or incident, leaving viewers to draw their own connections and interpretations. So here's the million-dollar question that everyone should be asking. Is Banksy simply creating art, or is he deliberately challenging the very foundations of how justice operates in modern Britain? When street art appears on the walls of justice itself, who gets to decide what constitutes legitimate protest and what crosses the line into criminality? What do you think? Is this masterful social commentary that democracy needs? Or has Banksy crossed a line by targeting the judicial system directly? Does the timing make this a powerful statement about current events, or is it an unfair attack on institutions that maintain order? The debate is just beginning, and your voice matters in this conversation.